We are talking tonight about a question involving the ER. Back with us for the Law and You attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, now that we're getting into September, we're contemplating adding heating elements to your leather chairs to make it more comfortable.
Great.
Sound good?
Absolutely.
All right, we want you guys to be comfortable.
We'd love to have it.
Yeah, we have some serious questions here on the Law and You, so we'll get to it tonight. We'll get you guys relaxed. And Larry in Scranton wants to know, I was at the ER because I thought I was having a stroke. The doctor took one look at me, did not run any tests, and told me I was having anxiety. They sent me home, and I did have a stroke. I have now lost the use of my right arm. What should I do?
Well, Larry, I mean, you know, we've been talking about these situations involving, emergency rooms for a long time now. And, these can be very good cases. A lot of times things are, the doctors and nurses in these emergency rooms are just overlooking things that they shouldn't be overlooking. Obviously, if you go in and you're having signs and symptoms of a stroke, and the doctor doesn't send you for a CAT scan or doesn't do a full physical examination of you, whether it's a stroke or a heart attack or any other condition for that matter, they have an obligation to make sure that they're running all the appropriate tests and doing all the appropriate things. So the fact that that didn't happen, you got sent home, I think you have a pretty good case, against the ER here for failure to diagnose that stroke.
And what you got to do is just go get your records, if you're able to. If not, sign an authorization, get somebody to go over and get those records. They need to be reviewed by an attorney who knows what they're doing, and probably by an expert who deals with stroke protocols, so they can determine whether or not the standard of care was met. So that's the issue. Again, statute of limitations is moving. You have 2 years from the date it happened. So, we always tell you got to keep moving.
Yep. And those that are involved in a medical scenario and they're not sure if it's a case or not, but they want to talk with you, how can they reach you?
Just give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Hotline.
Facebook,
Hit the hotline,
Snapchat.
Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram,
Text me.
Twitter.
And you got to love the hotline because it has that old school rotary
Oh
ring.
my God, it's great.
It's classic.
It's great.
Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thanks.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.